Add jog in section. If you go to the solid tab and here it is add jog. If you have any section plane, in that plane, if you need a jogged type of section plane, you can use this add jog. I just go to the section plane and I create a section plane here. Switch off F3, object snap switch on, and I just make like this small section plane. Now this section plane is created, section also created. Now I am going to add a jog line. Select this add jog and I select this plane. I need to add jog, and which point? I just select this point. Now you can see one jogged section, it is added. This section you can just click here, and how much you need to, where you need to move, you can move like this, and you can just like this all the points, or you can see here this point, you can click like this, you can make movement. This point also I just click like this and I place like this. So now you can see this circle, and you can see here we have this circle also. If you need to make for that circle also, if you need section line, just place it like this, just select like this, and I just click this point and you can place it like this. Slowly adjust and you can place it like this. Just click here, switch off this F3, that is better, object snap. Now it is placed. See here, if you need to adjust little bit here and here, and you can see this circle, both the circle now you can see. So using jog line, if you need to cover another area, see here if you given this section view, so you need to show this circle, this cylinder, this opening also, and this opening also. If you need to see, you can use this jog type of section. You can just select this one using all the, how we made this normal section, the same section type of all the things available here also. You can select that one and you can change. Here also it is available all the things, and you can flip this one and you can change the location. And here we have all the corner, you are having the grips, using grips also you can make changes in this jogged section. If you make normal section, in this normal section, if you need any jogged type of section, you can use this add jog.